Swaddy Cap, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here in Khao Lak in Thailand, and I just want to show you around my room here at the waters by Katathani. So on entering the room, there's a little key fob where you just swipe your little card. Your little card is like this, it's made out of wood. One's for electric and one's for your door, but you can use both for entry and obviously the electricity, power, etc. So as you walk into the room, here on the right, you've got your aircon unit, your light switch, a large mirror, an ironing board, umbrellas for if it rains, drawer space. Then you got your coat hangers, 2 dressing gowns, your safe, and plenty of drawer space to put your clothes, your shoes, etc, etc. Then we walk into the bathroom. As you can see, I am living here for 3 weeks, so we have to excuse the mess. So 2 blue towels for the pool area, 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, then all your toiletries. That's complimentary. Then the toilet area, plenty of toilet paper. You've got a bin in the corner, that's for your tissue paper and sanitary napkin and that do not get flushed into the toilet, so you've got to put in a little bag so then dispose them in that little bin. As you say, flush in, toilet works. And you also get a bum gun, quite powerful. As I say, they don't want you to put toilet paper into the toilet because the Thai sewage system is not the same as the UK. So that's why they want you to use the little bin. Okay, in the shower's quite powerful. So with me, quite a decent shower size. Again, you get your complimentary shampoo and body wash from the hotel. Obviously we brought our own. Then you got these little slidey doors. I couldn't really work out what they were actually for, but apparently they are there for if you've got children, young children, and they just slide across like that, so you can keep an eye on the children in the shower area. Or you can actually, if the shower room gets so steamed up, it just has that little bit of ventilation. So your coat hangers, hair dryer and a little mirror. So yeah, it's decent bathroom area. Okay, so moving into the room, you got a fridge. Fridge is quite decent. It's got a little freezer area to put your ice in. Decent size, as you can see. Then you got your kettle, complimentary water, 2 glasses, 2 cups, 2 spoons, your milk and sugar. Obviously there's no milk, so you got to buy your own from the 7-Eleven. Coming into the main room itself, a telephone, a huge bed. Look at the size of that for the bed. And believe me, it's really comfortable. I've had really good night's sleep in here. Then in the corner here is the big table, a little bin. Now, I know a lot of people from the UK talk about this. They always ask what adapters do we need. Now, as you can see, it's a 3-prong plug, with me being from the UK. Fits in, no problem, so look at that. Again, there's not an issue with it whatsoever. It also works with 2-prong plugs as well. I think most of these hotels here in Thailand now are built universal. So most countries use different style of sockets and different type of plugs. They all work. I think that I'm not saying it is and it's absolute, but as you can see, it works for me. Then you got a big bed. Sorry, not a big bed. A big, let's say, I think it is like a little mini bed type thing. I haven't unfolded it, but as you can see, I'll just stick my cases on it. Table. Then television on the ceiling with 25 channels. There's only one English channel, which is BBC News. I have a mirror, sorry, not a mirror, a window overlooking the main pool area, as you can see. And as I got a swim up bay wing room, that's my room view from outside. Big balcony area, 2 sun lounges, a big sun lounger, and a maiden for your wet clothes. Look looking out for the view every morning. The sun usually hits here around about 1 o'clock, and then the sun on us all day, and believe me, it does get hot, really hot. One last thing before I go. See the little black box? You break any of them rules whilst you're sat here, i.e. loud music, especially at night, that will sound an alarm. It's been off once. And then the curtains, one blackout curtain and one light curtain, so I like keep the lights in, but also keep outside anyone from nosying in. So that's my room at the Waters by Katathani here in Khao Lak. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the little bell for more videos of me staying in Khao Lak. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you guys.